Block it.
Okay, we're outside. Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're currently going. This is actually our last day. It's day 4. Tomorrow we're checking out. Day 5. So
Let's go.
we are currently going to our. I don't know. Let's check first floor. 5. Floor 5. Okay, someone stopped at floor 5. Floor 5. Come up. Floor 6. Okay, we're going in. Okay, now we're going in. Hi guys. Hi.
First
Okay.
we're going
See
to
my outfit check, like a jean skirt. No, first floor. Come on.
Can't.
Put the key. First floor. We're not going to the reception. Why are we going to the reception? We're gonna show that when we exit the hotel.
Yeah, but I just want to show you.
Okay, first let's go to first floor, and then second, and then third, and then fourth, and then fifth, and then sixth.
Wait, why is there so
all
many?
the floors.
Me.
As you can see, guys.
There's so many me. Okay. I literally forgot my shoes.
I see you. This is where the pool is. It's currently closed.
Yeah.
Guys, we have to be like. No, we're not going down. We're gonna figure out what's happening. I don't see anything happening. So, okay, so the pool is closed right now.
Come back up. Come get us.
Come get us. G. Come get us. Hi. First floor. Let's see. Okay.
Back to 6.
I'll pick a number.
Pick.
Back to 3.
3. That's not a floor.
I know.
Why?
Just.
It'll be like we're using the lift infinity.
Yeah. Is there a problem?
No.
So now we're going to see the view from the 3rd floor. Wait, let me wipe my camera. Okay, I wiped my camera. That is the view. As you can see, guys. That is the view from now. Okay, I wiped my camera. It was kind of blurry. It's the same, just my phone is dark. As you can see. Okay, let's go check the other floors. We checked the 3rd floor. We were here before. There's nothing really exciting. Down. 1. Let's just take the lift with us.
Bring them with us.
We have to.
It's a nice place.
We're on the 3rd floor, as you can see. 3rd floor. The plan. Let me show you guys the plan really quick. The hotel plan. That is it. That is it, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, let's go quickly. Okay, guys, that was awkward. Someone was actually inside the lift.
Yeah, basically.
So I paused the video, my brother didn't. But he was nice though. He said he's going up, and then we said we're going up too. Yeah. Here's a 6th floor view. Let's see the difference. You gotta be careful. Your phone better not fall down there, because look at that. If your phone falls, you're gonna have a disaster. 6 floors high. Okay, now we're going back to our room. As you can see, 6th floor. Look how slow my brother's walking. Okay. Hi. Hi, Jake.
Hello.
Okay. Going back to our room. 606. This way the 601 starts, and this is 606. 6:07. (6:08), where the light always stays on. Okay, that's our room. Open the door. But how will we push the door quietly? What is that? We're back. This is the living room. It was not like this when we came, but we tried our best. And this is the balcony that you have an amazing view. And then we go over here. Yeah, it is. Go over here. Okay, that's my bag there. And then we have a kitchen. It wasn't like this when we came, but it's still good. Everything works. Washing machine is fast. It works. And then right here we got the kids' bedroom. It wasn't like this, but anyway, the bathroom, the living room, and the dining room. So now, and then we got a toilet, the bath, and a toilet seat. And we got the bedroom and another balcony that connects with the other balcony. As you can see, it connects. And then a mirror. Hi. And then another mirror that broke by itself. But anyway, hi. Who cares? Now we gotta get going. Wait, guys, we're about to leave this.
And your bag? Your bag is not full. Yours is not full.
Okay, this is the grocery that we bought, and we still didn't finish it, so pretty much we are just going. Come, Eva. She left her bag there. Come quickly.
I like this.
Yeah, I'm very sure. I don't know, but if we left something. If we leave something, it won't be nice. Come quickly, Eva. We have to check out now.
Okay, let's go.
Take your bag.
Oh, let it go.
Sorry.
Let's go.
Quickly. Okay. And then we're on the go. Gotta run. Press it quickly.
No, you never ever.
They left us. I'm not taking this one. No, it's the same lift. I guess we're gonna have to wait for the lift. This one or that one. That one's out of order. Yeah, you're right. Let me do some TikToks quickly. So now we're inside the car.
Oh, Lord, Father.
Okay. So is it Gordon's Bay? Yeah. No, not Gordon's Bay. Strand. Strand. Go direct to our home, to our house.